Upgrading your home is about more than improving how it looks today. It's about increasing comfort, lowering long-term costs, and building lasting value. If you're a homeowner in North Texas, investing in replacement windows in Frisco is one of the smartest ways to enhance both your living experience and your property's market appeal. Boosting curb appeal that attracts buyers' first impressions matter. Windows are one of the most noticeable features of any home's exterior. Old, faded, or damaged frames can make even a well-maintained house look dated. On the other hand, new replacement windows instantly refresh your home's appearance. Modern window designs offer clean lines, larger glass areas, and customizable frame colors that complement brick, stone, or siding commonly found in Frisco neighborhoods. Whether you choose traditional double-hung windows or sleek picture windows, the upgrade creates a polished, updated look that stands out to potential buyers. In a competitive real estate market like Frisco, enhanced curb appeal can mean more showings, stronger offers, and faster sales. Increasing energy efficiency and lowering utility bills. Texas summers are known for intense heat, and energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners. Older windows often allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor heat to enter, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. This leads to higher energy bills and unnecessary strain on your system. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced features such as low emissivity, glass coatings, double or triple pane glass, argon or krypton gas fills, improved weather stripping, and insulated frames. These technologies help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. For homeowners, that means lower monthly utility bills. For potential buyers, it signals a home that is cost-efficient and environmentally conscious, both strong selling points. Energy-efficient upgrades are consistently ranked among the home improvements that provide an excellent return on investment. Enhancing comfort inside the home. Property value isn't just about resale price, it's also about everyday livability. Replacement windows dramatically improve indoor comfort. With better insulation, rooms maintain consistent temperatures, reducing hot spots in summer and chilly drafts in winter. Noise reduction is another major benefit. High-quality windows can significantly minimize outside noise from traffic, construction, or neighborhood activity, creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. When buyers step into a home that feels comfortable and quiet, they immediately perceive it as well-maintained and high quality. Improving security and peace of mind. Older windows can become difficult to lock properly or may have weakened frames and glass. New replacement windows come equipped with updated locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options. For families in Frisco, security is a top priority. Homes that feature modern, secure windows are more appealing to buyers because they reduce potential safety concerns and insurance risks. This added layer of protection contributes to both tangible and perceived property value. Reducing maintenance requirements. Many modern replacement windows are made from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, peeling, and cracking. Unlike older wood frames that require frequent painting or repairs, newer windows are designed for minimal upkeep. Some options even feature tilt-in sashes, making cleaning easier and safer. Low-maintenance features are especially attractive to busy homeowners and prospective buyers who want convenience without sacrificing style. A home that promises fewer future maintenance headaches often commands a higher market price. Maximizing natural light and interior appeal. New windows can also improve your home's interior aesthetic. Larger panes and slimmer frames allow more natural light to enter, making spaces feel brighter and more open. Natural light is a powerful selling feature. It enhances the appearance of flooring, cabinetry, and decor, while creating a welcoming atmosphere throughout the home. Buyers are naturally drawn to bright, airy spaces, and upgraded windows play a significant role in achieving that effect. A smart investment for Frisco homeowners. Frisco continues to grow as one of the most desirable cities in North Texas. With strong property demand, strategic upgrades can significantly increase your home's market value. Replacement windows offer a rare combination of visual appeal, energy efficiency, security, comfort, and low maintenance. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to improve your home for years to come, investing in replacement windows in Frisco is a decision that pays off in multiple ways. From lowering utility bills to enhancing curb appeal, the benefits extend far beyond the glass itself, delivering lasting value to both you and your property.